So everyone is talking about ChatGPT, and most people are actually using it wrongly. But even though you are using it rightly, you might want to know an alternative to ChatGPT, just maybe when it doesn't do your job properly. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys the top ChatGPT alternative that you can use whenever you don't want to use your ChatGPT. So the next slides, you are going to be seeing all of the best ChatGPT alternatives. Now, everyone is actually interested in using ChatGPT for basically everything, whether they need deep research, whether they need real-time data, coding help, or image generation. There are tools that actually destroys ChatGPT at all of these things. And I am going to be listing them, and they are also completely free. You do not need to pay. And I've actually tested the 6 top alternative for ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to switch to, and also based on your specific needs, because I am going to cover that. So I'm going to actually cover the 5, or rather the 6 alternative, to tell you the exact ones that you need to use, and also based on their features. This is actually my honest take, and after using them, this is actually what I find out. So the first one on my list is Anthropic by Claude, or rather Claude AI by Anthropic. Now, this is actually the best for documenting and also nuisance writing, and also honest answers, because this is straight up going to tell you the truth without any filter. First up, Claude actually made by Anthropic. This is actually a fast taking assistant, and Claude AI is more like a thoughtful advisor, whereas Claude AI really shines. It is actually a massive context in the windows. Now, you can actually paste in the entire research paper and then legal contract for a full database research, and Claude will actually understand it even better than ChatGPT, because ChatGPT often lose tracks or hallucinate midway through the long document, and then you need to actually correct ChatGPT every once in a while. Claude AI also noticeable better at writing, and also it sounds robotic most times, but it's actually best at writing essay, emails, and also creative content. That is, if you want to create script, and also quality difference is actually real. When you test both of them, you can be able to tell that they are totally real. And the free tier is actually solid. Claude AI Pro unlocks the powerful model. My one complaint is that it doesn't actually have image generation, just like ChatGPT does. So this is the only down take. Now, the next is Gemini by Google. Now, this is actually by far a real-time research, and also Google Workplace is also integrated into it. And then Google Gemini is one of the best pick, and I also recommend a lot of people to actually consider it. And it also integrates Google ecosystem, including the Google Doc, Gmail, and Google Drive, and also the calendar integrated in them. Now, this is actually way better than ChatGPT, because ChatGPT do not have all these things. And if you want to allow or add all these things, making use of the plugins, you have to be paying for them on ChatGPT. So I think Gemini is a way to go. Gemini also allows you access to Google search results, and then this means that it also great for questioning, and also it's going to help you to update the current results that you are actually searching for. And also this AI is actually trained, and it doesn't actually cut off your research information. The free version is genuinely useful, but if you decide to go advanced into Gemini, you are going to get even more features out of it. And this is going to include the VO3, and which is actually one of the most used AI creating tool. Now, this is actually no brainer. This is one of the best. Even also at the free level, this is actually going to surpass your ChatGPT. Go ahead and give it a try. And the next one is Perplexity. This is best for research and fast checking your results, which is also going to help you to bring factual or a more resourceful answers. Perplexity is what you get if you actually cross a search engine with an AI. Every answer comes with citation, real links, and also verified links. For each research, it is actually massive. You are going to be getting a trusted AI. You can actually check where the information is coming from, which is probably the reason why they are putting citation and the links. If you ever if you are ever being burned by AI Confidential making something up, which we have actually been talking about, Perplexity results answers, they are actually a game changer, and they are going to give you a more resourceful and more accurate information. This is actually best even in their free tier, and surprisingly enough, this is actually going to help you to unlock the pro version. If you pay for the pro version, you are going to get even more useful answer, and this is best for students, journalists, and also anybody that is into research. Now the next is Mistral or Lechat. Now this is best for privacy focused users, developers, and European users, people that like privacy a lot. This one surprised me enough because Mistral is actually a French AI company, and their Lechat interface is fast, like a noticeable faster Chatgpt. The free tier is very capable, and also because Mistral model are open source, developers can run locally on their machine. If you are actually making use of privacy conscious, you are rather privacy conscious, and you do not want your data to be exposed to the public or be used by AI, and also the French law actually enforces this, so I think you are going to be safe making use of Mistral if you love privacy a lot. And this is also going to be helpful for everyday chat and also writing tasks. Lechat is actually completely free and also holds up a well against competition, and also bookmarking is just going to have it in your tool. Make sure you actually try it out. Now the next one is GitHub Copilot, or rather in Cursor. This is the best for developers and anyone that is writing code. If you are into writing code, Chatgpt coding experience is going to be the honest clunky, or rather going to be the honest bunch that you need. Now if you are into copywriting and pasting back into thoughts in your GitHub Copilot and Cursor, this is going to help you to build, or going to help you to work faster as a developer. And the difference is that it stands out against any other competitor, just like Chatgpt. Chatgpt also writes code, but with Copilot, you are going to do it even better, because on Copilot, you actually live inside the code editor, and also it gives you suggestion, and also going to help you to complete your typing. And Cursor, it's actually going to help understand your entire code base, which is going to understand the project that you are writing. Is going to help you to debug faster and also write the whole entire features while you are understanding the full code context of also what is writing. Both the free tier and the paid tier is actually for developers, and you will wonder if you actually lived without one of these. You're originally a ChatGPT alternative and a general use also for coding. This is actually the best for a lot of people that are lazy and a lot of people that probably don't have much experience in coding. So this is basically it, guys. These are all the ChatGPT alternative, and mind you, ChatGPT can do everything that all of these softwares can do, but the only reason why I'm listing them is just in case you need an alternative. So basically, the recap of my video is if you are into writing and long-term writing documents, go for Claude AI. If you want to have a workspace user based workflow, go for Gemini. And if you are also only into research and you need proper resources for your research, go for Perplexity. And if you want speed and privacy, go for Mistral or Lechat. And also you can go for if you are a developer, then you go for Cursor or GitHub. Let me know your honest take. Let me know the one you are going to be trying. And also, if this video helped you, smash like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe, guys, and peace.